Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to have a crack at using a clay bar kit in the car. I've got a mate who said it will change my world, and I'll be wondering why I've never done this before. So today we've got a Mother's California Gold. This is supposed to be the bee's knees. So we'll give that a crack, see how we go. Righto, let's get into it. Mother's California Gold clay kit. So we've already washed the car and chamoised it off. Unwrap and flatten clay into palm of the hand. Thoroughly spray a 2 square foot section with the lubricant. Right. That's the instant detailer. Clay bar. Ooh, soft. Did not think it was going to be soft. Don't know why. She's pretty grippy. Lightly grey until it feels completely smooth. Cool. No. Let's get spraying. Wow, that's cool. You can hear it taking who knows what off. And then I think it says just wipe it off. Yeah, with the microfiber cloth. Let's have a look. Oh. Oh. Wow. Holy. This is as good as they say. Wow. I don't know if we'll be able to, if you can hear this, but hear the difference? Oh, nothing. That is cool. Yeah. That's amazing. That really is that good. You can see the filth that it's picked up. If it'll focus. No, not really. Alright, you can see it anyways, the black smudge. And it says to knead it into a cloth. I'm not sure what that means. But we'll keep going. This is gonna change. This really will change my life. This is amazing. That panel is like smooth as ice now. We'll keep going. And yeah. Okay, so you just, it says knead and fold into a clean surface, so you just keep going. Oh, this shit's good. Alright. Has a bit of a cinnamon smell to it. Wow. That is good. That is good. That is amazing. Right, we're going to see. You can see here. Feels pretty average. Give it a crack. See if you can. See if we can physically see the difference, because I can definitely feel the difference, and you can sort of hear the difference. So let's give this a whirl. I don't know if you can see that, but that is filthy. That is disgusting. Wow. This really is good. Don't know if you can see whether it's any different. Looks a little bit shinier. Yeah. Wow.